Good morning, student. Welcome to the again with your online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss English grammar chapter 3rd. Okay, chapter 3rd, and chapter name is IENC. Okay, so it's grammar section. So first you open book and copy. Okay, chapter 3rd IENC. Page number 16. So first you open. We read this sentence. Some sentences here. Peter is my brother. Peter is a good boy. Peter always cares for me. Peter and I play together. Okay. So here we using Peter, 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 and Peter. Okay. So it's not a good maximum time we have to using Peter or anyone's names. So what I can do? So here we using I, he, and she. Okay. So think another way saying this. Try not to say Peter more than once. यानी कि एक के ज़्यादा अगर हम लोग यूज करेंगे तो सेंटेंस जो है अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है. So here we have to using he. Okay. Because Peter is on the male person, on the small boy. Okay. So we have to using he. Okay. So here we have to using Peter is my brother. Okay. One sentence is completed. Peter is my brother. Peter is my भाई. Then again we have to not using Peter. We have to using he. He यानी वो. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Then again we are using he. He always cares for me. We play together. Okay. The sentence is completed. We have to not using maximum one to more than one time. Okay. Peter एक ही बार यूज कर सकते हैं, but you have to using he, I, she, जो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Then Peter is a main person, so we have to using he. Peter is a my brother. He is a good boy. He always cares for me. We play together. Okay. So sentence is complete. So just you have to write. Okay. In your copy, write down. Then you have to write another question answer. So another sentence. Another sentence you have to write here. Just look at the blackboard. Now with this sentence, Ami sings well. He sings English songs. So Amit sings well. Amit जो है बहुत ही सुंदर गाना गाता है. So Amit sings English songs. बोलने से यहाँ पे अमित दो जगह यूज करने हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So Amit is one of the main person and Amit is a boy. So we have to using he. Okay. He sings English song. Sita is my friend. So then we have to not using more than one time. She lives next door. Sita lives next door नहीं बोल सकते. She यहाँ पे सिंपल से हम लोग she लगाएंगे क्योंकि सीता जो है एक फीमेल पर्सन है, एक गर्ल्स है. Okay. So we have to using she. She lives next door. I play with my pet. It is a dog. So here I play यानी मैं खेलता हूँ मेरे डॉगी के साथ. ओके. रेहान, ऋषि एंड हरी प्ले फुटबॉल. ओके. यहाँ पे रेहान है, ऋषि है और हरी हम लोग जो है फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. दे प्ले एवरी डे. यहाँ पे 3 बॉयज हैं. सो एक से ज्यादा हो गया तो हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? दे प्ले एवरी डे. ऋषभ, आदि एंड आई are cousin. So यहाँ पे देखो ऋषभ एक बालक का नाम है, आदि एक नाम है, then I, me, we live in sand. So here we have to using we live in sand building. Okay, so in this sentence he is used in place Ami, she is place of Sita, it is place of page, they in place of Rehan, Rishu and Han, and we in place of Rishu and Adi. Okay, so here just to note it in your pocket. I is used to talk about myself. Okay, I is used to talk about myself. Then he is used in place of a boy or a male naming words. Okay, then see. Okay, dear students, just see the blackboard. I used to talk about myself. यानी कि मैं अगर मैं अकेला रहूँगा तो वहाँ पे I यूज करेंगे. Okay, he is in place of a boy or a male naming words. Okay, he जो है एक male रहेगा naming word जो है या एक बॉय रहेगा, वहां पे हम लोग ही का यूज कर सकते हैं. ही यानी वो, ठीक है, वो जो है एक मेल पर्सन होना चाहिए या एक बॉय होना चाहिए, वहां पे हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, ही. ओके, देन वी हैव टू यूजिंग सी यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ ए गर्ल्स और फीमेल नेमिंग वर्ड्स. एक गर्ल्स अगर रहता है, गर्ल्स अगर सेंटेंस में रहेगा सो वी हैव टू यूजिंग सी. ठीक है, या फीमेल पर्सन जो रहता है, फीमेल नेमिंग वर्ड से रहता है, तो वहां पे हम लोग सी का यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, देन अदर्स जस्ट राइट ऑन योर blackboard, see the blackboard properly. Okay, then you will be using it is in the place, it is used. Okay, it is used in a place okay, so just we have to take a book, place of an animal or a non-living things. Non-living things. Okay, non-living things. Then using they or we is used in place of more than one person. So just we have to listen very carefully. Okay. Here it is used in a place of an animal or non-living things. It का कहाँ पे हम लोग यूज करेंगे या उपयोग करेंगे? वो जो है एक एनिमल्स होना चाहिए या फिर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होना चाहिए. देखिए नॉन लिविंग थिंग आपका चॉक, डस्टर, टेबल, ठीक है, या फिर आपका हाउस, ये जो है नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ठीक है, या फिर कोई एनिमल्स जैसे टाइगर, डॉग, बियर, ओके, बर्ड्स या फिर मंकी, एनीथिंग एल्स, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स नाम है. सो वहां पे हम लोग इट का उपयोग करेंगे. देन वी हैव टू यूजिंग दे और वी. कौन सा जगह में दे और वी का यूज करेंगे? they and we use in place of more than one person, यानी कि एक से ज्यादा पर्सन हो जाए, एक से ज्यादा व्यक्ति अगर होते हैं, ठीक है, तो वहां पे हम लोग दे वी यूज कर सकते हैं। देखें आप लोग जैसे बुक देख सकते हैं, रोहन, सीता, गीता, या रोहन, अली, या आशीष आर माय पर्सन, सो वहां पे हम दे आर माय पर्सन ऐसे लिख सकते हैं। देन सेंटेंस ऑलरेडी वेल एंड गुड, ओके, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन इन योर कॉपी all the number, then we have to do some question answer, okay, not all the question answer we have to write, just for example we have to write some question answer on a blackboard, then you have to understand all the sentence, all the question answer, then you have to rest other side you have to do yourself, okay, so see the blackboard properly. Okay dear students, see the blackboard. First question answer is here and you already write page number 70. First you open page number 70, just you have to see the blackboard. I am Rishabh, I study in class 1, okay, so I am Rishabh, here using I, okay, and here also using I study in class 1, so here sentence is complete, okay. Then 2 number, my friend's name is Ali, मेरा दोस्त का नाम जो है Ali, he loves to play. Here again we have to not write Ali, so we have to using here he, because Ali is a boy, Ali is a male individual, so we have to using here he loves to play football, यानी कि उसको फुटबॉल खेलना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। देखा नंबर, I am Sinu, मैं सीनू हूँ। I study in class 2, मैं क्लास 2 में पढ़ता हूँ या पढ़ती हूँ। सीनू एक गर्ल्स का नाम है, so I study in class 2. Here we are using I, he and I, okay. So just note it in your copy. Just others somebody to do yourself. It's easy, not difficult. Okay, fill in the blanks with I, he and C. I, he and C. आपको fill in the blanks करना है। 1 से 10 number है, so do yourself. If you don't know, don't worry, I am here. Okay. Next exercise classes, I am saying all the numbers. Okay. So do yourself. It's very easy, not a difficult. So next we have to do another number. So see the blackboard properly. Okay. Okay, dear students, see the blackboard. Use he, she, it, they or we in place the words in color. See the book page number 18. Okay. Then we have to using he, she, it, they or we in place of the words in colors. Okay. So here first number, my sister is beautiful. Iska sister, my sister. My sister is beautiful. So here we have to convert using C. C is beautiful. Okay. So here ये जो आपका रेड मार्क दिया गया है, so here we are using C. C is beautiful. Okay. Or number completed. Then the man is old. The man is old. Here the red mark. So we have to using and convert he, because here man is a male person. Okay. So we have to using he is old man. He is old man. Okay. Then number, the doll is colorful. Doll is colorful. Here doll जो है एक नॉन लिविंग, जस्ट यू कीप इन माइंड, डॉल जो है नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, सो वी हैव टू यूजिंग इट. इट इज कलरफुल. ओके, इट इज कलरफुल. ओके, सो द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीटेड. सो 1 number, 2 number, 3 number we have to do. Just you think and understand the sentence well, then you have to do easily all the numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 number already completed. Noted in your copy. Rest others number you have to do yourself. Okay. It's easy, not a difficult. Okay. 1 to 10 number here. Okay. So you do yourself and using he, she, he, they or we. You must using he, she, he, they and we. Okay. Then sentence is completed. So here completed. Noted in your copy. Then rest others number you have to do. Then you have to do it another sentence. So see the blackboard properly. Okay. Okay, dear student. Just see your book page number 18 below. Replace the words in color. Choose from the option. Okay. You have to colors the numbers. Okay. यहाँ पे आप लोग का the bed है वहाँ पे रेड कलर दिया गया है. Okay. So choose the correct option. Choose from the option. Okay. Correct words. So the bed rang loud. Here A option eat, B option C option E and D option we. Okay. So we have to choose these four options which is the right word in this sentence. Okay. So the bell rang loud. So first thing, bell एक non-living creature. So we have to use what? Eat. Okay. Eat यहाँ पे use करेंगे. So sentence is it rang loud. Okay. यहाँ पे sentence हुआ it rang loud. Okay. bell जो है loudly जो है ringing या ringing हो रहा है. ठीक है. So we have to using and choose correct words it. Then 2 number, Ram stopped the train. Who stopped it? Ram. So first you think Ram on the main person, on the naming words. So we have to use what? He. Okay, here we have to keep he, and here using he stopped the train. Ram stopped the train. So the correct answer is he stopped the train. Okay. So here the fourth option, but we have to choosing he because Ram is a one of the naming words and main person. Okay. So it's clear. Then third number, Priya, Pooja and I. Priya, Pooja और मैं will watch a movie tonight. यानी कि हम लोग मूवी देखने जाएंगे. Priya, Pooja and I will watch a movie tonight. आज रात हम लोग जो है मूवी देखने जाएंगे. So what we using? They, he, she or we. What we using? Here we have to using we. Okay. Here we have to keep. Then we have to using here. We will watch a movie tonight. Then sentence is completed. Okay. We will watch a movie tonight. Okay. We is the correct words in this sentence. Okay. 1 and 2, 3. 3 question answer is completed. Then you have to do others number. So rest others number you have to do in your copy properly. It's easy, not difficult. So you have to do in your copy all the numbers. Rest all numbers. Okay. Another number. So see the blackboard. Okay. Okay. First see the blackboard. Fill in the blanks which correct words from the brackets. You see in your book 19 page. Okay. So we have to solve this question. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Use the correct word from the brackets. Here is the brackets. First we understand the sentence. Then we have to using in two options. One is the right answer. Okay. So dash going to school. Who went to school? It or I? I went to school. Okay. Here we are using I went to school, not using it. I went to school. The sentence is completed. Then to number Radha and I played together. Dash share the same hobbies. Okay. Radha and I played together. So what we using two option is here they or we. So just you think which is the correct answer. Radha and I play together. So we is the correct answer. We share the same hobbies. Radha and I play together. We share the same hobbies. Okay. So here sentence is complete using we. Then third number, dash want to become a scientist. So what are we using in this place? Dash want to become a scientist. Here we have to using I. I want to become a scientist. Okay. Then sentence is completed. So sentence here, so we have to using I. I want to become a scientist. Then sentence is completed. Then fourth number, Ruby is my friend. Ruby is my friend. This is very kind. Ruby is my friend. Here, Ruby, one of the girl's name, and female person, female name was. So what we using? He or she. What we using? He or she. What? Using she. Here, Ruby is my friend. She is very kind. Then sentence is complete. Okay. So write down in your copy. Rest number. Do yourself. It's very easy. Just keep in your mind. Understand all the sentence and do all the number properly. Okay. So rest and last numbers we have to do. So see the blackboard. Okay. Okay, read this story, replace the naming words in color with he, she, it, they or we. Here the small story, just you have to read and using he, she, it, they or we. Okay. Here the color is red, that place you have to using he, she, it, they or we. Okay. So first, once upon a time there was a farmer. The farmer. Again we have to not using farmer. So here this place we have to using he had three sons. He had three sons. The three sons. The three sons नहीं लगा सकते. They always fought with each other. Okay. So rest others number you have to do yourself. Okay. It's very easy. Just you think and understand all the sentence, all the stories. Then you have to do easily. Okay. So dear student, today we completed this chapter I, he and she. Okay, it's very easy, not very difficult. So I hope you all are doing all the rest number. मैं जो छोड़ दिए हैं वो सबको आप लोग complete करेंगे. You have to do yourself well. If you don't know, then you have to see our WhatsApp group, Gyanjyoti WhatsApp group. We have to send some question answer as a PDF file. First you download the PDF file and see all the question answer is there. Then you have to see and help of the PDF file you have to do all the question answer very easily. It's not difficult. Then if you any other help, then you have to contact me. Okay, or at the school reopen. Then we have to discuss these all words, grammars, okay, English grammar, English reader. So that time we have to discuss about your doubt clear classes also. Take your doubt clear classes also. So dear student, I hope today this class you have to enjoy yourself and all the numbers do well. So Thank you very much for seeing our video. Thank you.